Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and our today's focus is full body flexibility yoga flow. So let's start our practice. Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged or you can take one leg out, whatever is comfortable for you to start this practice. Sit straight, rest your hands on your knees, and let's close our eyes for a few seconds and center ourselves. So just let your whole body relax from head to toe. Let the cloud of your thoughts settle in. Whatever was on your mind or whatever is on your mind, just try to settle in. See if you can keep it at the back of your mind and start to build connection with yourself. Connect with your breath. Observe how you're feeling today, building the connection with your body and mind. And then you slowly rest your hands on your abdomen, very gently, sitting long. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathe out through your nose, take your abdomen in. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. One more. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. Gently take your abdomen to neutral position, release your hands. And on your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. Namaste. Let's continue with our practice. Now, take your arms up, breathe in. Stretch your arms up, lengthen your spine. Releasing the tension from your spine. Keep lengthening your spine, breathe in. Breathe out, just go forward. Resting your palms wherever it lands comfortably. Let me show you the side view. And let's work on our spine flexibility. Relax your neck. Stretch your arms forward. Take your weight back towards your hips. Relax your neck. Breathe. And then you take both the arms to the right side, diagonally to the right. Press into your right palm. Open your left arm. Take your left arm up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Get your left arm down. Let's do this 2 more times. Breathe in, left arm up. Breathe out, down. And one more time. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Slowly we switch side, taking both the arms to the left side. Relax your neck. Press into your left palm, take your right arm up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, look down, right arm down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. One more, breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Slowly get your arms back to the center. Breathe in. Breathe out. Gently take your arms in. Take your arms up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Rest your right palm on your left knee. Take your left arm over your ears. Breathe. Relax your shoulders. Keep breathing. Opening your side body. Stay here. And then you take your left arm back behind your left hip, twist to your left, draw your left shoulder down, draw your left shoulder back, breathe. And then you gently come back to the center. Let's switch side. Left hand on your right knee, right arm over your ears, right palm facing down, breathe. Open your side body. And then gently get your right arm back, twist to your right, draw your right shoulder back. Breathe. Stay here. One more breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Release. Come back to the center. And from here, take your palms back. Open your fingers wide. Press into your palms. Lift your heart. Take your head back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lift your hips up if you're comfortable, or let them rest on the mat. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your hips down, and then you bend your legs like this. And let's do reverse tabletop now. So open your fingers wide, press into your palms, lift your hips up. Take your head back slightly or look at your knees. Breathe, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your hips down, and from here you're going to lift your right leg up and see how much length you can get in your right leg, yeah? And don't worry where you hold it from. You can hold it from your right foot, right ankle, right shin. Sit long. Relax your shoulders, breathe, working on your hamstring flexibility. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your right leg back and let's switch side. Lift your left leg up. Relax your shoulders. Maybe your legs are fully straightened, maybe they are not. So just keep working on your hamstring flexibility, and whatever you're doing, just be happy with it. Just feel a nice stretch at the back of your legs. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your left leg, release. Let's come on all four position and do cat and cow, working on our spine and your lower back release. So open your fingers wide, wrist is underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. One more, breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Stay here for a few seconds. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spine to neutral position, and we're going to do thread the needle now. Plant your right palm down, open your left arm up, open your body to the left. Breathe. Breathe out, slide your left hand down, rest your left shoulder on the mat, then your head on the mat. Extend your right arm forward. Shift your weight slightly to the left. Breathe. Then get your right hand in, press into your right palm, take your left arm back on the mat. Let's switch side. Right arm up, breathe in. Breathe out, slide your right arm down, rest your right shoulder on the mat, then your head on the mat. Have some space between your chin and chest. Shift your weight slightly to the right. Breathe. And then you gently get your left hand in, press into your left palm, take your right arm back. Come on all four position, and we're going to get into downward dog from here. So open your fingers wide, press into your palms, tuck your toes, knees up, hips up, push your hips up and back. Relax your neck, widen your collarbone, push your chest towards your legs and breathe. Then press into your left heel, lift your right leg up, breathe in. Breathe out, bend your right leg, point your right knee up. Breathe, working on your hip flexibility. Square your shoulders, keep looking down. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get your right knee back to the center. Breathe in. Breathe out, step your right leg forward in between your palms. Yeah? Bend your right leg a bit. Push your right hip forward. So this is our lunge. And then you straighten your right leg, press your left heel back on the mat, pyramid pose. Bend your right leg, lunge, straighten your right leg, pyramid. Bend your right leg, lunge, working on our lower body flexibility, and straighten your right leg, pyramid. One more time, bend your right leg and see if you can release your arms for a few seconds, coming in high lunge. Breathe. Right knee is on top of your right ankle for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly rest your palms down. Get your left foot one step in, press your left heel down. Let's hold pyramid pose for a few seconds. Take your head towards your right shin. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then from pyramid pose, we will go in lizard pose. So taking your right foot to the edge of your mat, push your left leg back, bend your right leg. Bending your right leg, right knee is on top of your right ankle, right hip forward. Right hand just close to your right foot. Right hand and left hand are shoulder width apart, both in line with your right foot. Lizard pose. Expand your chest, relax your shoulders. Breathe. If you feel like resting your left knee down, relaxing your toes, you can do that. Or you can lift your left knee up. Stay where you feel most comfortable and breathe. Stay here. Excellent for your lower back and your hip flexibility. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left knee down and get your right shin parallel to the front of your mat, and we are getting in pigeon pose. Dropping your right knee down, sit on your right hip. Flex your toes for your right foot. Get your hands in front of your right shin. Maybe you will just sit on the right hip if this is the maximum stretch for you. You can just get your palms in front of your right shin or come on your forearms. If you want to go deeper in this pose, you can try to lift up, square your pelvis, lower down your right hip, center your left leg, and same thing, either the palms in front of your right shin or come on your forearms. Stay where you feel most comfortable, where you get the most release, and just stay here a few seconds. Breathe. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come on your palms, sit on your right hip, and let's go back in downward dog and switch to left side. Curl your toes in for your left foot, lift your left knee up, right leg back, go in downward dog. Catch your breath. Feel the difference on your right and left side. Keep building the awareness through yoga. And then press into your right heel, lift your left leg up, breathe in. Bend your left leg, point your left knee up, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, left knee back to the center, breathe out. Get your left leg forward in between your palms. Coming in our low lunge position, resting your fingertips down, left hip forward, left knee on top of your left ankle. Breathe. And then we're going to get into our flow from pyramid to lunge. So straighten your left leg, send your right heel back, take your head towards your left shin and bend your left leg, coming in lunge. Pyramid pose, straighten it, breathe and lunge. Keep breathing at your normal pace and pyramid pose. Breathe and low lunge. One more time, pyramid pose. Deep stretch for your hamstring and lunge. Now let's see if we can release our arms for a few seconds. Take your arms up, stretch your arms up, lengthen your spine, breathe in, relax your shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly rest your palms down and let's hold the pyramid for a few seconds. Get your right foot one step in, right toes point in. You can plant your palms down or stay on your fingertips. Head towards your left shin. Soften your knees. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, lizard pose. Take your left foot to the edge of your mat. Bend your left leg. Left knee on top of your left ankle. Push your left hip forward. Left hand just in line with your left foot. Right hand and left hand are shoulder width apart in line with your left foot. Option to keep your right knee down or lift up. Look straight ahead. Relax your neck. Breathe. Stay with your breath for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're going to get into pigeon pose. Rest your right knee down. Get your left shin parallel to the front of your mat. Lower down your left hip. Flex your toes for your left foot. Option to just sit here on your left hip, getting your hands in front of your left shin, or square your pelvis. Center your right leg, lower down your left hip. Breathe. Stay here. Relax your shoulders. You can be on your palms or you can be on your forearms, wherever you feel the maximum stretch. Excellent for your hip flexibility and mobility. Breathe. Great release for your hips. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come on your palms. Tuck your toes for your right foot. Lift your right knee up, left leg back, downward dog. And from downward dog, we are going to rest our knees down and come in child pose. Join your big toes together. Open your knees wide. Stretch your arms forward. Lower down your forehead. Take your hips towards your heels. Breathe. On your inhalation, stretch your arms slightly forward. On your exhalation, take your hips back towards your heels and breathe. Stay here. One more breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly take your palms in, sitting in a cross-legged position. We end the practice with one chant of Om. So sit straight, rest your hands on your knees, relax your body, close your eyes, and let's start. Breathe in. Om. Let your eyes be closed for a few seconds. Just take a moment to observe how you're feeling now. Get aware of all the changes you feel in your body and mind, and building on the practice of awareness, connecting to yourself even beyond this mat. Breathe. And on your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. Namaste. We are done with our practice for today. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.